What's up, guys? Welcome back to Joy Eats. So I already started preparing and then decided to film. So this is lemon pepper, and it's literally just lemon pepper seasonings and fresh lemons. Now I'm gonna make my famous garlic parmesan. My family loves it, so I'm gonna show it to you. So we're gonna need some kosher salt, cayenne pepper, some onion powder, some basil leaves, garlic powder, and pepper, and some oregano from my parents' garden, and some baking powder, garlic, smoked paprika, and last but not least, some good Parmesan cheese. Make sure you use the good one. So let's start. And I forget to tell you that I washed the chicken before everything, and I patted dry with a towel, with a paper towel. So these are ready to go in the oven. So I preheated my oven to 425, and now I'm gonna put these on here. Alexa, put the timer to 30 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Meanwhile, you melt a little bit of butter, this much, just eyeball it. And add to it the crushed garlic. This is about 3 or 4. You can put more or less, as much as you want. And I like to add a little bit of parsley flakes. Turn the heat off. That's it. Just enough to make the butter melt. And this is it, guys. So now you put them into the bowl. They're cooked and crunchy. You put them into a clean bowl. And then you put this mixture on top of that. This is the yummy stuff. Tell me this doesn't look good. Time to flip. Can you hear? Yeah. These are ready. These are the lemon pepper. Now time to make our third and last flavor. And this one is honey sriracha. Honey sriracha, or if you want to call it sweet heat. So what you do is you put the same amount of honey. So what you do, you put the same amount of honey. Mine is crystallizing a little bit, but it's fine. Sriracha. Let's wait a little bit. And as you see, I just eyeball everything. I'm an eyeballer. All right. Just a little bit of rice vinegar. That much. That much. This is optional. You don't need to use it, but I like using it. Just a little bit. And just like few drops of sesame oil. Not a lot. That's it. That's enough. So once the chicken is ready and cooked and crispy, you put it in here. And then you add this crispy chicken into this mixture. And you toss well. And there you have it, guys, my 3 favorite types of wings. Which one did you like? Let me know in the comment down below.